Okay, I think this is looking awesome for now. Hello my creative friends, Olga Sobi here and welcome to new acrylic pouring video. Oh, what a day, what a challenge. Today working on this huge project. So this is a very unconventional triptych, one large panel, two small ones, and this is a commission painting for my client, and it's going to be, as you may guess, all full of beautiful turquoise with some blue and few splashes of white, gold, and few other colors. So it's a tropical ocean inspired trio. Let's see how it turns out. Let's get started. So today I'm working on all of these cradled wood panels, and this one is 24 by 30 and each one of these is 12 by 12. And it's not an accident that they are positioned this way, a little bit away from each other, because on the wall the distance between these two panels is going to be the same as distance between these, and top and bottom are aligned. And maybe it would be easier to pour if I bring this next to each other, like closer. But composition-wise, it's much easier for me to ensure the balance and that the continuous flow if I initially position them the way that they're going to be on the wall. This way it's 100% going to be all perfect and looking good with no surprises for me for when I put them aside. I hope that makes sense. I'm going to start just by adding in the colors. Okay, let's do this. First color here is greenish blue. I think I want to add some white right away. I know I'm definitely want to have white in this section, and here. And this one here is ultramarine. Next color is turquoise blue, and this is turquoise blue. This one is turquoise green, and I also have iridescent turquoise. I want this painting to be just full of turquoise colors, so I have few different ones to create a more interesting color palette. One tip when working on such a huge panel is, first of all, definitely plan out your composition in advance. You can try it out on smaller panels first just to make sure that you like it, because when you're working on in such a large scale, it's better to practice first. And also make sure, and trust me when I say it, make sure your panels are 100% leveled. And yeah, the last thing you want is to come back the next day and to see that all your paint shifted or, you know, it didn't dry properly. And when your canvases or panels are not fully leveled, it can also lead to crazing. So yeah, especially working on such large panels, because they are pretty expensive and you're also using a lot of paint and you also put in so much love and effort in it. And of course you want it to turn out perfectly. So think it through and make sure it's all nicely leveled and you're 100% prepared for the project. So here I have a few additional colors that I want to add just as an accents. So I want to have a hint of violet. I don't want this to be my dominant color. I don't want this to really pop. Just a little bit to diversify this color palette. Next one is green, just a touch of it. Have few lighter colors. So this one is sort of sandy colors. This is a mix of yellow, orange, and white, and this is some gold. And I also tinted it out with white, so it's not too flashy and not too orangey. This is turning out pretty cool, right? As I work on it. Already gives me such a happy energy, you know, because ocean, especially tropical ocean colors, they're always so cheerful. Okay, this one here, it's mix of orange and yellow and white. It's very, very soft orange. Again, just to create some accents. Want to just literally few areas with it. It will look pretty beautiful in this color palette. Okay, I think this is looking awesome for now. I can always add to it as I go. And let's start blowing this out. Just touched my blow dryer cord in the paint, so again working on such a large scale. Watch out for that cord. Just wow. So many gorgeous cells and lacing. Ah, I love it. I feel like I want to have just a little bit more white in this corner. I am crazy about this piece. Already it's just so dynamic and so many gorgeous details, and especially that iridescent. I can see how it shines right now against the light, and it's gonna be so good when it's all dry and I finish it with epoxy. Yum! It's gonna be beautiful. Alright, my friends, I think I'm going to stop here. It's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Okay, I'll show you some details when this beauty is dry, so keep watching. I will be right back. Alright, my friends, here it is all finished. I covered it with a layer of epoxy resin for this beautiful glass-like effect. And boy, does this painting got some movement! And something that I really love about the composition and the overall outcome is the continuous flow through all three panels. So first of all, you can see this line that goes here, and the same shape continues in the bottom part. So it really all flows together, and this composition works pretty amazing. And of course, it got some amazing, gorgeous details. You can see that iridescent color is just shining bright in the light. I also really love this small panel. Some gorgeous lacing. You know, this trio, it's like a mix of tropical energy, some foamy waves, a lot of movement, beautiful details. This gold for some shine reflection in the waves and some sand. So overall, I'm very happy with the outcome. Now it's gonna be fun to pack this trio and send it to its new home. Please guys, let me know how do you like the outcome of the painting. I would love to hear from you. I'll chat with you in the comments down below, and as always, take care, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!